I'm here to show you how to empty water out of the hot tub when it gets yucky. So the first thing you want to do is walk over to the breaker box and turn off the power by flipping the bottom white switch towards the house. The next thing you want to do is come over to this round storage container, take off the lid, and inside you will find a sump pump with a hose on the end. Take the sump pump all the way over to this end of the hot tub, south end, and extend your hose out towards the fence and lay it in the rocks. That way it can drain down to the street. The next thing you want to do is unwind the cord and extend it out. Extend it out this way. Then you want to take the extension cord that is inside the box as well, and you want to extend it to the sump pump as such. Then you want to take and plug it in. Go ahead and plug it in on this end. Then open up the top and gently lay the sump pump into the deepest part of your hot tub. You want to do it nice and gently because you don't want to crack the fiberglass. Once the sump pump is inside the hot tub, you take the other end of your extension cord and plug it in over here. Once it's plugged in, the water will drain from the hot tub through the hose and down to the street. Next, you want to set your timer for 40 minutes. It takes approximately 40 minutes to empty the hot tub, so you want to set your timer, because if you don't, you'll forget and you'll burn out the sump pump if it goes dry. So set your timer and start watching it after 40 minutes. Then you want to come over. Let's say the hot tub is completely empty and 40 minutes is up. Come over here and unplug it. Now the hot tub's completely empty and you need to add water back into the hot tub. So you come over to where the hose is and extend the hose into the hot tub to fill it. Then you come over to the spigot, and all you're going to have to do is press the one on the right, the lever on the right, up. As soon as you press it up, water will come out of the hose and refill the hot tub. Again, set your timer for another 40 minutes. It takes about 40 minutes for the hot tub to fill. You don't want to underfill it or overfill it. It has to cover the jets. The next thing you want to do is come back over after you put the hose in, come back over and turn the jets back on by flipping it backwards away from the house. And then you'll want to go over and make sure that the electricity came back on by looking over over here to make sure the display is showing something in red. So let's say the hot tub, it's been 45 minutes or so and the hot tub is completely full. The next thing you do is turn the hose off by flipping it towards the house and remove the hose back to its original place. Remove the sump pump and hose gently and put it back in its original place. And then you're going to want to add chlorine to the hot tub. You will need to add 1 cupful of Shock Chlor-Brite hot tub. I usually add 1 scoop of this into the water. Once you've added it to the water, doesn't need it now, so I'm just pretending. You're going to press the 1, then you're going to press the 2. You're going to wait about 1 minute. Press the 1, press the 2, and it's done. Recover the hot tub and